Welcome to Guide Glimpse channel. You are looking for a comprehensive guide on editing audio in CapCut, focusing on editing, enhancing, and syncing. CapCut, whether on mobile or desktop, offers a surprising amount of control over your audio, making it easy to elevate your video projects. This tutorial will cover the key features. So before we even start, remember the high quality audio recording at the source will always give you the best results. Editing can enhance, but it can't magically fix truly bad audio. So we have this first way, that is understanding audio in CapCut. In CapCut, audio tracks are separate layers below your video tracks on the timeline, like this one here. You can have multiple audio tracks for music, sound effects, voiceovers, and even an original video audio. Now, these are the basic audio editing: cut, split, and even volume. These are the fundamental actions for managing any audio track. First of all, we will need to add audio to your timeline. If at all you haven't done so, like me, so you can just use the original video audio. I have it with my video here. This is automatically imported with your video clip. So you have the video here at the top and audio at the bottom. We also have some CapCut library or music and sound effects. Go to audio here tab here at the top left panel, browse music or sound effects. Drag your chosen track to an audio track here on the timeline. You can also import your own video. Import MP3 or WAV files via the media panel here in the top left, and then drag them to an audio track. We have a voiceover as well. Go to audio tab here and then click the record button here. I have it right here around the timeline. This is the microphone icon next to voiceover to even start recording your voiceover. Now you can go ahead and now adjust the volume. So for individual clip volume, that is for original video audio, just select the video clip. In the right hand properties panel, go to audio tab here and then adjust the volume slider. You can always drag the horizontal volume line directly on the video clip's waveform as well to adjust the volume. Muting, drag the volume slide all the way to 0 or even use this mute button, often a speaker icon with a cross through it, like this one. We also have splitting and trimming audio tracks. For splitting, place the playhead here at the desired cut point on the timeline, select the audio track, then click the split icon above the timeline. For trimming, select the audio track, hover your mouse over the beginning or the end edge until this cursor changes to a double-headed arrow. Then click and drag inward. We also have deleting, so just select the unwanted audio segment, then hit delete key on your keyboard. We have now fading in and out. This creates smooth transitions for audio. Select the audio track. In the right hand properties panel here, look for fade in and fade out sliders. You can also enhance audio quality. CapCut offers several tools to improve the sound of your audio. We have noise reduction, which is great for cleaning up background noise in voiceovers or original video audio. Select the audio track here or even the video clip itself. In the right hand properties panel, go to audio tab again and then check the box next to noise reduction. The algorithm will automatically try to clean it up. For voice effects and filters, you can change the pitch or even add effects to voices. So still here, look for voice changer and then just explore different voice effects. You can also normalize the loudness, which is important for consistency. This effect helps bring all your audio clips to a consistent volume level, preventing jarring shifts. Still in here in the audio tab, just check the box next to normalize loudness. We can also adjust pitch. This changes the pitch of the audio without affecting speed. Adjust the pitch slider here. We also have syncing audio to video, which is the beat sync magic. Synchronizing your video cuts to the beat of your music is a hallmark of professional looking edits, especially for montages or fast-paced content. We have the first way of doing that, which is auto beat detection. CapCut's auto beat feature is incredibly useful. These are the steps to it. Add your chosen music track to the timeline. I'll use this. Then select the music track. In the right hand properties panel, look for auto beat here. CapCut will analyze the music and place beat markers, which is these small dots on the audio waveform. Using the beats is this way now. Drag your video clips onto the timeline and align your video cuts or splits or even the beginning of new clips directly with these beat markers. This creates a rhythmic, dynamic video. Let's also adjust the clip speed and match now the audio, which is velocity edits. When you want a specific action to sync with a beat drop, but the clip is too long or short, these are the steps to it. Use this speed and then curve here. Align the peak action of your video, e.g. a kick, a jump, with a specific beat marker. Use the speed curve to slow down or even speed up parts of the clip so that the action lands precisely on the beat. Remember to enable smooth slow-mo here. If at all you are using slow motion for professional look, these are some of the advanced audio techniques now. Detach or extract audio from video clips. I have this one combined. This allows you to edit video and audio separately. Select the video clip. Now right click and in here from these options, choose extract audio. The audio will detach onto a new track as you can see. Why do you use it? This is useful for doing J cuts, L cuts, adjusting video or audio timing independently, or even easily deleting original audio from multiple clips. Now, these are some of the final tips for great audio in CapCut. Balance levels. Ensure your music isn't overpowering dialogue or sound effects. Dialogue should always be clear and understandable. Also, listen with headphones. Always review your audio with headphones to catch subtle issues like background noise or even imbalance. Export now the settings. Ensure your video export settings, that is the resolution, frame rate, are appropriate for your platform. Experiment as well. Don't be afraid to play with the various audio effects and tools. Mastering audio editing in CapCut will significantly elevate the quality and impact of your videos, making them more engaging and professional. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.